If you want to make your flowchart look more professional and easier to follow, animating it in PowerPoint 2013 is a great way to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to animate the flowchart step by step using simple PowerPoint tools like Shapes, Animations, and the Animation Pane. This is perfect for presentations, tutorials, process diagrams, and anything where you want each part of the flowchart to appear in sequence. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to create your flowchart. Go to the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint, then click Shapes. From here, choose the boxes, arrows, and connectors you need for your flowchart. Build your diagram one step at a time on the slide, placing each shape where it belongs. If you're making a simple process chart, use rectangles for the main steps and arrows to show the direction of movement. Keep the layout clean and easy to read, because the animation will work best when the flowchart is already organized. Once your flowchart is built, click on the first shape you want to animate. This is important because PowerPoint applies animations to whichever object is selected. With the first shape selected, go to the Animations tab. Here, you'll see a variety of animation effects you can use. For flowcharts, simple effects usually work best. You can choose fade, appear, or wipe, depending on the style you want. If you want the shape to appear cleanly and quickly, appear is a good choice. If you want a softer reveal, use fade. And if you want to show motion or direction, wipe is especially useful. After choosing the first animation, move on to the next shape in your flowchart. Select it, then apply the same or a different animation effect. You need to do this one by one for each box, arrow, or connector in the chart. This may take a little time, but it gives you full control over how the flowchart appears during your presentation. For example, you might want the main boxes to fade in, while the arrows wipe in to clearly show the direction of the process. That small detail can make your slide much easier for your audience to understand. Now, let's organize the animation order. To do that, open the Animation Pane from the Animations tab. This pane shows every animation on the slide in the exact order it will play. This is where you can arrange the steps so the flowchart builds logically from start to finish. If something appears in the wrong order, just drag it up or down in the list until it matches the sequence you want. This is one of the most important steps because a good animation order helps the viewer follow the process naturally. Next, you need to set the timing for each animation. You have two common options here. The first option is on-click, which means each shape appears when you click during the presentation. This is great if you want to explain each step manually and control the pace. The second option is after previous, which means each animation starts automatically after the one before it. This is useful if you want the flowchart to play smoothly without clicking every time. Choose the timing that fits your presentation style. If you want your arrows to clearly show direction, use the wipe animation effect on them. Wipe works really well for arrows because it creates the feeling that the arrow is being drawn across the slide. That makes the flow of the process much more obvious, especially in technical or instructional presentations. You can also adjust the effect options if needed, depending on whether you want the wipe to come from the left, right, top, or bottom. After that, preview your slide to make sure everything looks right. Play the animation from the beginning and watch how each shape appears. Check the order, the timing, and the visual flow. If something feels too fast, too slow, or out of sequence, go back into the Animation Pane and adjust it. A few small refinements can make a big difference in how polished your final presentation looks. And that's it. You've now learned how to animate a flowchart in PowerPoint 2013 using Shapes, the Animations tab, the Animation Pane, and simple timing controls. With just a few steps, you can turn a plain diagram into a clear, engaging presentation graphic. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more PowerPoint tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.